Hello everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. This is a quick one. I'm going to show you how to export all your open images all at once, as opposed to going in and going File Export or File Save one at a time. Let's do them all at once. It's very easy to do. Let's go. The first step, you've got all these images loaded up here. Now we're going to go up to File at the top. And then instead of going to Export or Generate or any of that stuff, you actually want to go to Scripts. And then over on here, you'll see Image Processor. Click on that. When you do that, you get a few options. You'll see here that the first one is Use Open Images. This is important. So this is going to export the open images. Also, if you want to change the folder where they go, for example, I've got them going to desktop, but you can send them wherever you want to. Feel free to do that. Also, you can go down here and you can select the folder for the location to save the images. So wherever you want to save them, go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and use desktop as well, but you can adjust it as you see fit. Finally, it's very simple. You can adjust the quality. I believe it goes right now between 1 and 12. So I've selected 6, which is a nice quality. And you can also save it as a PSD or as a TIFF if you want to. And lastly, you can run an action because this is like a batch process. So you can run an action like, for example, if I wanted them to be vintage or vignetted, pardon me, or apply any of these other ones, gradient maps, etc. You can go ahead and do that. I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to go ahead and click on Run. Once this is done, it's going to cycle through the images like it's doing here. Then we're going to go back to my Finder. I'm on a Mac. If you're on a PC, go to your Explorer and then to whatever folder you saved them in, open it up. You should see something that says JPEG. Open that up. There are the 5 images exported. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.